Hey everyone, welcome to Gohana. This place is full of surprises, just like the wild Indian plains. We're not in the mountains or the desert today, but trust me, every part of India has its own adventure waiting to be discovered. Today, we're going deep into Gohana, a city that's more than just what you see on a map. We're going to explore its busy markets, feel its ancient history, and taste the flavors that make Gohana special. But just like when you're exploring a new place, we need to be respectful of the environment and the people. We're here to learn and appreciate everything Gohana has to offer. So get ready to explore the heart of Haryana with me. Let's go. Okay, before we start exploring, let's get our bearings straight. Imagine a map of India. See that state up north called Haryana? That's where we are. Gohana is right there, about 22 kilometers. That's like 14 miles. From Sonipat, the main city of the district. Now, Gohana isn't out in the middle of nowhere. It's actually well connected, like a crossroads. Delhi, the capital city, is pretty close, and other big cities in Haryana are just a short trip away. You could say Gohana is like an important road that connects everything around it. And this location has always been important. Throughout history, empires have fought over this land, traders have passed through it, and travelers have rested here. That's important to remember. Where a place is located shapes its destiny. And Gohana's destiny is tied to the history of North India. This isn't just about geography, it's about understanding the land itself. It's like when I'm tracking a tiger in the jungle, you need to know the land, the paths, the hidden trails. Gohana is our jungle today, and we're going to uncover its secrets. Every part of this land has a story to tell. Gohana's history is written in its stones and whispered in the wind. This is a place where empires have risen and fallen, where battles have been fought, and where different cultures have come together. We're talking about the Mughals, the British Empire. They've all left their mark on this land. And we're not just talking about boring history books here. History in Gohana is alive. You can almost hear the sounds of battles, the trumpets of elephants, the chatter of traders in the marketplace. It's all around us, woven into the very fabric of this city. Keep your eyes open for clues to the past, an old wall here, an inscription there. These clues help us understand Gohana's past. We're talking about ancient buildings, ruins that whisper stories of a time long gone. Remember, history isn't just dates and names. It's about understanding the struggles, the victories, the spirit of the people who came before us. And in Gohana, that spirit is strong. Now, Gohana isn't all about ancient history. It's a lively city, deeply connected to its traditions. Think bright colors, the beat of drums, the smell of spices in the air. This is the heart and soul of Haryana. Festivals here aren't just parties, they're a way of life. Diwali, the festival of lights, is celebrated with fireworks lighting up the sky. Holi is a riot of color, with people dancing and throwing colored powder everywhere. And Dussehra is a time for epic stories and celebrating the victory of good over evil. But it's not all about the big events. Everyday life has its own rhythm. The beautiful melodies of folk music passed down through generations tell stories of love, loss, and the land. And then there's the food, spicy, hearty, and full of flavor. Gohana's food is a testament to the strength of its people. It's about being resourceful, making the most of what you have, and sharing a meal with family and friends. This is the essence of Gohana, the enduring spirit of its people expressed through tradition, celebration, and the simple joys of life. To survive anywhere, you need to be resourceful. In Gohana, that resourcefulness is clear in its economy. The foundation of life here is agriculture. For generations, people have been farming this land, growing food. And they're not just growing enough to survive. Gohana's farmers are smart and successful. They're feeding the nation, sending their produce to cities and towns all over India. This is the heart of rural India, where hard work and tradition are the backbone of the economy. But Gohana isn't stuck in the past. Just like a river changes its course, Gohana is evolving. Small businesses are popping up, and there's a feeling of progress in the air. Being so close to Delhi, Gohana benefits from trade. It's a two-way street. Raw materials go out and finished goods come in. This mix of old and new, of agriculture and business, is what makes Gohana so interesting. It reminds us that survival isn't just about having enough food. It's about adapting, changing, and thriving in a world that's always evolving. In the wild, it's important to know how to escape danger. Gohana has that covered. It's well connected with roads and railway lines crisscrossing the land like ancient trails. Need to get to Delhi? No problem. The train line is a lifeline, a constant flow of people and goods between the city and the countryside. It reminds us that even in the heart of Haryana, you're never too far from the hustle and bustle of the capital. But it's not just about trains. National Highway 44, a ribbon of road cutting through the landscape. is our modern-day trade route. It connects Gohana to the rest of India, a vital artery for commerce and travel. This ease of movement, this connection to the outside world is crucial for Gohana's growth. It allows the city to breathe, to expand, to embrace new opportunities. Now you might be thinking, where's the adventure in a place like Gohana? It's not about climbing mountains or battling rapids. The adventure here is in everyday life. It's about opening your senses, paying attention to the details. Take a walk through the local markets. The sights, the sounds, the smells, it's a sensory overload in the best possible way. Bargain for spices, try some street food, soak in the energy of a thriving community. Visit the local temples. These aren't just places of worship, they're peaceful places for reflection. Feel the cool stone, admire the intricate carvings, and let the tranquility wash over you. Remember, adventure isn't always about heart-pumping action. Sometimes it's about slowing down, appreciating the simple things, and connecting with the heart of a place. Every environment has its own ecosystem. Gohana is no different. The people here are as diverse as the crops they grow. You've got a mix of castes, communities, each one adding to the richness of Gohana's social fabric. Language is the key to communication, right? Hindi and Haryanvi are the languages you'll hear spoken here, but it's more than just words. It's the tone of voice, the gestures that convey the true meaning. Spend some time with the locals, share a cup of chai, listen to their stories, learn about their lives. You'll find warmth, generosity, and resilience that's truly inspiring. This is the heart of Gohana, the people. They're the ones who give this city its character, its charm, its enduring spirit. To survive in the modern world, you need more than just physical strength. You need knowledge, education. And Gohana is dedicated to giving its future generations the tools they need to succeed. Schools and colleges are scattered throughout the city, buzzing with the energy of young minds eager to learn. From basic reading and writing to the complexities of science and technology, these institutions are nurturing the leaders of tomorrow. Now, some might go to bigger cities for higher education. That's natural. But the foundation, the thirst for knowledge, is instilled right here in Gohana. This commitment to education shows Gohana's forward-thinking spirit. It's about investing in the future, ensuring that the next generation is ready for the challenges and opportunities that lie ahead. So, we've come to the end of our Gohana expedition. We've explored its history, experienced its culture, felt the pulse of its economy, and met the incredible people who call it home. We may not have climbed any mountains or crossed any raging rivers today, but we've journeyed to the heart of what makes Gohana truly special. It's a city of contrasts where ancient traditions meet modern aspirations, where the rhythm of rural life blends with the hum of progress. Remember, adventure is everywhere, even in the most unexpected places. Keep exploring, keep discovering, and never stop being amazed by the world around you. Thanks for joining me on this journey through Gohana. I hope you enjoyed discovering this hidden gem of Haryana. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fascinating explorations.